Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
When the pandemic had just taken the country by storm, the central government had showered flower petals over COVID hospitals. People had stepped out onto their balconies with thalis and spoons to pay a tribute to doctors. Now, as we are almost 6 months into the pandemic, it almost seems as if doctors have become invisible. After spending days and months working inside a hospital and putting their lives at risk, these doctors from 3 of Delhi's major hospitals are now on the streets of the national capital to demand their basic salary.
There is no system, no social system in which you can force somebody to do work without giving them any payment. Only system in which this thing is possible is slavery. So what we are doing here is basically slavery. So we want better treatment. I wouldn't like to place blame on anyone, but it is a failure of policy. There is a definite insensitivity towards the social class that goes to government hospitals and the doctors who treat that class. I think we as a society needs to decide where our priorities lie.
Doctors from Hindura Hospital, Kasturba Gandhi Hospital and Rajan Babu TB Hospital say that they have written to everyone, even to the Lieutenant Governor, but the pleas have fallen on deaf ears.
We were trying to meet all the people and we have given letter to everyone. We haven't got a concrete statement from anyone saying on this day the issues will be sorted. On this day each and every salary that is pending or each and every areas that are pending will be sorted. I don't think I've heard from anyone about that thing.
So who all did you write to?
Everybody. See, it starts with the medical director, yes, the DHA, the municipal corporation who's in charge, and then the mayor, then the chief minister, and the lieutenant governor, then...
So no one has responded.
We haven't got a response yet. See, what is the meaning of response? Give us the money, that's all. No, it's not like we have done the services long back. It's not that service that we are going to render. We have already given it. And we haven't got the paid yet.
While doctors from Hindura Hospital have been protesting since Sunday, when the week had just begun, they have only managed to get a mere sum of 1 month's salary.
Jantar Mantar is a mythic place in Indian democracy. Anybody with their genuine grievance can come here and take it to the nation. So we as doctors, as medical personnel, as COVID warriors have come to this point that we think that we also need to come to Jantar Mantar, right where with our farmers and other people who have genuine grievances.
The doctors say that their demand is simple. They want a more permanent solution to their problems and they want their salaries to be paid regularly and not just false reassurances.
देखिए, ये हम लोग का सिर्फ ये है कि हम लोग का परमानेंट सोल्यूशन चाहिए. दिल्ली सरकार भी अपने लोग हैं, ठीक है, सेंट्रल जो केंद्र सरकार भी अपने लोग हैं. जो दिल्ली की जनता दिल्ली सरकार को भी चुनती है और केंद्र सरकार को भी चुनती है. तो ये हमारा जो इशू है, ये जो इशू कौन सॉल्व करेगा ये मैटर नहीं करता है. ये मैटर करता है कि ये सॉल्व होना चाहिए और ज़रूरत और जल्द से जल्द होना चाहिए. हम लोग का सिर्फ सिंपल सा डिमांड है कि हमारी सैलरी 1 तारीख को आ जाए हर महीने के. और हम लोग हाई रिस्क में काम कर रहे हैं, बिना किसी लीव के काम कर रहे हैं. तो आज हम लोग को मजबूरन जो है जंतर मंतर पे सारे रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स जितने भी नॉर्थ एमसीडी के डॉक्टर्स हैं, मजबूरन हम लोग को यहाँ आना पड़ रहा है. आज हम लोग को हॉस्पिटल में होना चाहिए, लेकिन आज हम लोग यहाँ हम लोग का हाल ऐसा कर दिया गया है कि हमसे अच्छा तो डेली वेजेज हैं जो सुबह आते हैं, दिन में काम करते हैं और शाम को पैसा लेकर चले आते, और वो अपने घर चले जाते हैं. और आज हमारा ये हाल है कि 4 महीने से सैलरी नहीं मिला है.
As the doctors suffer, the issue seems to have taken the shape of a political scuttle between the Delhi government and the central government.
फंड का जो इशू होता है इसका परमानेंट सोल्यूशन होना चाहिए, या फिर अगर जो एमसीडी इसको रन नहीं करवा पा रही है हॉस्पिटल को, तो या तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को हैंड ओवर करे या फिर दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट को करे. और चूँकि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट तो आगे आ नहीं रही है, आ रही है दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट, तो हम लोगों को इसे लेना देना नहीं है, सेंट्रल हो चाहे या दिल्ली हो. तो ऐसे में अगर दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट अगर आगे आ रही है, वो रेडी है लेने के लिए, तो दे देना चाहिए. उनका भी वर्कलोड कम हो जाएगा क्या है, और हमारा परमानेंट सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा.
The government has repeatedly hailed these doctors as COVID warriors during the crisis we are in. Will the government not pay its warriors? So, as we spoke to the representative of all three hospitals, what we've come to realize is that what they're asking for is a more permanent solution so that they can get their salaries in a regular manner. They've also said that if the Delhi government has been asking the central government to pass on the MCD funds to them, why is it that the central government has not been passing them on to the central government? This is Muskan Nagpal reporting for Mojo Story with cameraman Madan Lal.